One of the perks of this current real estate market is that homeowners are extremely wealthy with regards to home equity. The downside is that it's not very liquid, or people don't know strategies on how to leverage it. Stay tuned for the vlog post. I'll give you 3. Hey real estate friends, what's going on? It's Mike Gold here with RE/MAX Alliance, coming at you today to talk about some of the major keys or tips and tricks for you to think about as it pertains to your home equity situation. Now, given the current real estate marketplace that we've been in, a lot of homeowners are sitting on an immense amount of equity. And I'm going to tell you how you can stop sitting on your assets and be able to utilize this equity to your advantage. First and foremost, a home equity line of credit. If you're thinking that the home that you're in right now needs to be a little bit larger, but you've got such a great interest rate, you've got so much equity, and you've got a payment that you absolutely love, well, think about using a home equity line of credit to make the renovations, repairs, and updates to that home. Make it the dream home that you always wanted it to be. Now, there are certain updates and repairs that you want to stay away from, so please get in contact with me to ensure the updates that you're thinking are going to garner the most amount of return if and when you ever decide to sell the house. Point number 2 would be, do you know that the equity situation that you're in right now could actually be leveraged to purchase what may be your final home, or definitely the home of your dreams? Now, if your home can't be renovated, or if for whatever reason it is just not the right fit for you anymore and you've got an immense amount of equity, talk to me and we can show you how to leverage that equity position, turn your current home into an investment property, and that equity would then be able to help you purchase your next house. Not only are you going to be able to afford and buy the home of your dreams, but ultimately you're going to be able to create an investment property that can be used as another source of income for you for retirement, or better yet, as part of your estate plan. Point number 3 would be debt consolidation. Now, if you do have any other debt that is out there, you can actually utilize your home as part of your debt consolidation plan. Now, this strategy you have to be extremely careful with. You don't want to utilize your home as an ATM and just pull cash from it and ultimately exchanging money from Peter to pay Paul, because you're still going to have to pay the debt. But if structured on a great financial plan, you can consolidate those debts if that interest rate is higher than a home equity line of credit, and ultimately you'd be able to pay off that debt faster and be able to ensure that you can create additional cash flow for savings or other investment vehicles down the road. If you're interested in exactly how much equity you have and want to utilize one of these strategies, well, give me a phone call, email, or visit our website. I can do a free market analysis for you, show you exactly how much equity you have, and be able to make sure in these 3 strategies, if you're looking for debt consolidation, what is the best financial plan for you? If you're potentially using this home to be able to buy another house, how does that strategy map out as far as the numbers are concerned? And more importantly, if you're thinking about doing any sort of updates or repairs, which are the very best ones to do? Until next time.